Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what are the core components of cybersecurity. The basic purpose of cybersecurity is we have some cyberspace, cyber assets. Maybe those we don't want to share with anyone. Okay, so there is a value attached with those assets, and we want to track it down whether there is some changes into it or not, whether either we are having in our organization or we are transferring those information from one system to another system or from one network to another network. Okay, or whenever either our company's employees, customers, users need to access those resources that must be available. So these are the basic three main core component of cybersecurity. And are all the security services whatsoever that we are using, security devices we are using, they want to achieve only these three things that comes under one of these, the purpose of cybersecurity. And what exactly this is, today I'm just going to discuss. First of all, let's discuss about confidential. Means we are having some information that's special. Okay, for example, this information is very special. We don't want to share that information with everyone. Only the authorized person having should have right to access it. So we want to achieve the confidentiality. Okay, in 8 December 2020, FireEye announced that their red teaming tool has been stolen by the hackers. Means those tools were not available for anyone. That's what the available for their own team, and that's stolen by somebody. So that means there is a breach about the confidential. Okay, how just you can achieve it? Proper security systems on the critical assets. Okay, and encrypting those assets. If somebody will steal it without having the keys, they cannot decrypt it. We can achieve. Another thing is availability. Whenever you want those resources, at what speed, at what time, in what way you need it, you must get it. Okay, that's provided by the availability. Whether you need backup plan, redundant devices, redundant network plans, different ISP, different manpower, whatsoever you need, doesn't matter. But as per the requirement, when it should be accessible, it must be available. So just we are going to achieve availability. Okay, another thing is integrity. Integrity means the assets we are having, the data we are having, we must assure it should not be changed by any unauthorized person. And when it's changed, we just come to know, yeah, there is some changes. Either we have that data in our databases, on our servers, on our in our devices, or whether we are transferring from one network to the another network, we want to intact it. Okay, in February 2016, there was an attack happened on Central Bank of Bangladesh, and hackers withdrew $1 billion. That was big amount, and that was the attack on the integrity. They just made some changes and just breach over the integrity. Okay, and let me just share with you one of the DOS attack in, I think there was a 14 December 2020. a DDoS attack happened on Google, and many of their services like YouTube, Gmail, Hangout, Google Maps, Google Photos, like these applications was were unavailable for 45 minutes. That was a huge DDoS attack on the Google services. Similarly, that's those kind of attacks are happening every day on different organizations. Whether hackers are just trying to get the information which is not accessible to them, or they want to make some changes in the data or in the resources, or they want to keep the resources busy so that the legitimate user will not get access on it. And in case of cybersecurity, we are going to achieve it. Our main motive is just only to maintain all this availability, confidentiality, and integrity. So follow me on the cybersecurity bridge and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they can understand the core component of cybersecurity and what exactly the different companies are just doing to achieve it, and what even there are opportunities they can understand in different areas as well. So see you in the next session. Namaste.